Chitrasante, what do you feel?
Fine.
You like it?
Fine, madam.
Tata, ಕಲೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕಲೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೈಡ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ನಾವೀಗ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಮುಂದೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು.
A wilderness which was mostly a dry grazing land just 35 years ago. How did this transformation take place? The stream bed, which had got silted due to construction work outside the campus, was taken up for revival as an ongoing project.
The natural slopes and undulations at the valley has helped us to devise a very good and effective rainwater harvesting system.
Land care is part of the students' learning program in the school.
We believe that the future of humanity is in wilderness, because wilderness is not organized, it is nature made.
If you have no relationship with nature, you have no relationship with man.
ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಹಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಎಣ್ಣೆಗೆ ಹೋಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿನ.